Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Guess what just came in the mail? The Amazfit T-Rex. Yeah, I know my camera is a bit slow to focus, but right here, I have the retail version of the Amazfit T-Rex, and I'm super excited to unbox this for you guys and share the experience with you. So as you know, the Amazfit T-Rex has been one of the more anticipated smartwatches of 2020, and I personally am super excited to show you what's in this box. So of course, some of you guys have commented that the Amazfit T-Rex does look like the Casio G-Shock, and guess what? I used to be a huge fan of the G-Shock watches, and I have a couple lying around, so I'll put the T-Rex together alongside with my Casio G-Shock watches, and maybe you guys can share with me and tell me if you guys would prefer the Amazfit T-Rex or the design of the Casio G-Shock. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing right away. Alright, so let's begin with the unboxing. So first, let's cut off this plastic right here. I'm gonna try my best to unbox this as quickly as possible so we can see what's really inside. So just remove the slider and prepare to see the... Oh, wow! Look at that, guys. I know I've seen this at CES, but now that it's finally here in my room, look at this! Whoa! Looks really good. Alright, so let's go and yank it out. And of course, let's check out what else is in the box. I'm sure it just comes with the standard charger that comes in all Amazfit watches. So right here, of course, we get the one that is actually the same as the Amazfit GTR. Just a tiny charger right here. So we're not going to need that for now. So what we're going to do is take a quick look at the watch right away. So, whoa. So I chose the black unit because the camouflage version is not actually available. And this is the only one that I could get my hands on, and to be honest, it actually looks pretty good. So let me just power this watch up and show you guys a bit of a hands-on with the interface and all that. Alright guys, so now that I've got the Amazfit T-Rex powered up, let me just go through a couple of basic specs that you should know. So first up, the watch actually costs US $140, but I got this in China, so this is only in Chinese. It costs about $115 US here in China, but bear in mind that you cannot change the language of the watch, so don't buy the Chinese version and then ship it to wherever you are. Just wait for the global release. It should be soon because I saw the global version at CES. Alright, so apart from that, let me just show you guys the interface of the T-Rex. It is slightly different from the current Amazfit devices. I noticed that in the previous watch, you actually swipe left to see the widgets, but now you actually swipe down. So you swipe down to see the couple of widgets that you have here, and you just keep going, and it's basically a loop. So to get into the main menu, you actually swipe to the left, and then you get your list of items right here, the main menus, and all kinds of stuff that you would expect on a Amazfit smartwatch. Alright, so we have 4 buttons on the watch. On the left here is up and we have down. So they're all labeled very clearly, and you can see here, you can read them for yourself actually. It's select and back. So nothing too spectacular right here. There is definitely more buttons on this watch compared to the other Amazfit watches. For instance, like the watch that I have here, the GTS only has 1 button, but this has 4 buttons. So I'm guessing it might make navigation a bit more easier for you. But yeah, we'll see about that. So apart from that, the watch also comes with a 20-day battery life. So according to Amazfit, the T-Rex will last 20 days on a single charge if you use it without the always-on display. So of course, this watch supports the always-on display, but if you turn that on, the battery life is expected to last slightly, maybe around a week. So I'll definitely be testing that out because I just got this and I can't say too much about the actual battery life. Apart from that, let me just go into the fitness tracking. So of course, we have the standard set of activities here as well. We have your running, walking, you also have your cycling, swimming, and mountain climbing. So very standard set of fitness tracking as always. You don't expect anything else from the Amazfit watch because usually all the Amazfit watch tracks the same amount of activities. So again, this is a pretty standard watch, but the main thing that Amazfit is trying to sell here is how durable it is. So like I said, I'm not very sure how durable it is right now. I've knocked it a couple of times on the table, but I guess that is not enough to prove as a stress test. But yeah, we'll see about that. So in the design wise, let me just bring it up closer to you guys once more. You can see that it has these 4 like fake screws around here to give that durable look. The bands once again are very flexible. They're so stretchable that I think they would actually feel very comfortable. So we also have this nice round, I'm not sure what the materials are right now. It's definitely not those kind of metallic. I think it is like plastics or PVC or something like that. So it should be more durable, I guess. But yeah, so that is basically all I can show you right now about the Amazfit T-Rex. I'll definitely put it through a test, and right now, let me just show you guys my Casio G-Shock collection. So as you can see, these guys are currently sitting in a box. It's more like a coffin because I haven't used this like ever since I started using the Amazfit or smart watches. But the one that I found really similar to this T-Rex is actually maybe this guy right here. So let me just pull that guy out. And as you can see, we have these 4 buttons as well. Which do you guys actually prefer? I think they look really similar. Like, yeah, so okay, so for the buttons right here, we do have some kind of texture on the Amazfit T-Rex. I can't really get my camera to focus in on. Let me just try and focus in. So let me see if we can get that focus. Yeah, so you see some kind of texture here. So it is very similar to the button on the Casio G-Shock that I have here. So yeah, very interesting stuff. Let me just show you a couple more of my watches right here. So we also have this watch, which I think also looks very similar. In fact, I think this actually looks more similar to the T-Rex compared to the previous one. Yeah, which do you guys think is actually better in terms of the design? Do you like the design of the Amazfit one, or do you think the G-Shock still looks better? So of course, a couple more other watches here. So these all the G-Shocks have 4 buttons, and I guess that is why Amazfit also went with all the 4. Oh, maybe because when you're outdoors and you're wearing gloves, you can't actually activate the screen. Yeah, that is probably why. So you could actually use these buttons when you can't, maybe like when you're wearing gloves and you can't access the display right here. Yeah, I guess that's pretty cool as well. Alright guys, what do you think? Are you excited for the Amazfit T-Rex? Is this something you're looking for? Oh, the bands are actually more comfortable than the G-Shock, I would say. And bear in mind, this G-Shock actually costs way more than the Amazfit T-Rex. I haven't been touching my G-Shocks for like more than a year right now. These guys, so sad. Alright, I think that's it for this video, guys. I will of course be testing this out, and the full review should come in a couple of days. Let me know what you guys want to know about the Amazfit T-Rex and if you're excited about it. This is Lim once again. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!